What's up guys, my name is Briar, and today I'll show you something special that I have. Small? It's small, I'll tell you that. Has a lot of energy and it has a tail. There it is, a puppy. Her name is Rose. She does bite. It's just play bites, and yeah, you can see that there. You see the little white part? That's a cat. She doesn't want to be outside, but she just ate, which is my puppy. She just ate, so she has to use the bathroom. So here's my face. Oh yeah, I'm 9 now. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, guys, so I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving. Rose, come here. Let's sit down for a second. Let's go put you down in the grass, Rose. Video. Hey, guys. Yeah, Rose. Everybody's gonna love you. You're a cute puppy. Yeah, There's another puppy in my house. I will show you her. She's a new puppy, just like she is. She is only 7 weeks old, my puppy, because the other one's only a week apart from her. Well, actually, yeah, they are a week apart, and Rose is the younger one. So I can't go inside now because Central Intelligence is on, and I need my dog to use the bathroom. Let's see if we can trick her to thinking there's something up there. Come on. I was throwing branches up there yesterday. She was getting confused of what it was. So let's test this out. Up on my roof. Let's test this out and see if she'll get scared. Hi. Coming down? Nope, it's not coming down. Yeah, guys, oh, there's a football I've been looking for. Oh, she's going poo-poo. She is going poo-poo. Can't see her there. She is right there. That very dark spot. Right there. Okay, let's point to her. Yep. Here she goes. She went poo-poo. That's good. Good girl. You went poo-poo. Good girl. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed. This is all about my puppy, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.